On-screen text reads, what do you need? Oranges, pen, skewer, string, yarn needle, scissors. Step 1. Peel. Carefully peel the oranges, leaving the skin intact. Step 2. Draw. Draw stars on the inside. An orange peel with a single slice in its rind is opened, revealing a series of red stars drawn on the white peel. On-screen text reads, Step 3. Cut. Then cut out each star. Use the skewer to make a hole in each star. The skewer is pierced through the centre of an orange peel star. On-screen text reads, Step 4. Assemble. Thread the stars onto the string. Your garland is now ready. A line of stars strung on a finished garland. On-screen text reads, Step 5. Decorate. Hang it up, and when they dry, the stars will be preserved. An orange garland is shown strung on a white banister, intertwined with lights and artificial ivy. On the left-hand side, credits are displayed on a narrow semi-opaque black rectangle. Film Lizzie Tilly, Music Audio Network. On the right is the Natural History Museum logo consisting of the words Natural History Museum, displayed in a column flanked by a large letter N on the left. Text at the bottom reads, Copyright owned by the trustees of the Natural History Museum, London.